Hey guys, I've got a fun 3-feather wall hanging tutorial for you today. Let's get started. The materials you will need for this project include 3mm single strand twisted cotton string, driftwood -10 inches long, a pet brush, I'm using Wahl brand purchased from Walmart, and scissors, I'm using loops and thread scissors purchased from Michaels. Start by cutting 3 pieces of rope, each piece is 35 inches long. Fold each piece in half and attach each piece to your piece of driftwood using a lark's head knot. We will start with the feather on the left side. Cut 30 pieces of rope, each piece is 8 inches long. Fold the first piece of rope in half and attach it to the 2 left strands of rope using a cow hitch knot so that the rope is hanging off of the left side. A cow hitch knot is the reverse of a lark's head knot. If you are having trouble with this knot, please see the description for a link to a more in-depth tutorial on how to tie this knot. Attach the second piece of rope so that the rope is hanging off of the right-hand side. Continue to attach the rest of the pieces, alternating as you go. For the second feather, cut 34 pieces of rope, each piece is 8 inches long. Attach each piece to the 2 strands in the middle of your work using the same process as the first feather. For the third feather on the right side, repeat the exact same process you used for feather 1, so cut 30 inches of rope, each piece is 8 inches long, and attach to the 2 strands on the right side of your work. Brush out each feather. If it is easier, you can take the feathers off of your piece of driftwood to brush them out and then cut them and then add them back to your driftwood. You will scratch the surface underneath the feathers when brushing them out, so I recommend using a surface that you don't mind scratching up a bit. Here's a tip. To make sure that the feather hangs straight, I will push my cow hitch knots close together to give the hanging a little more structure. Tie an overhand knot at the bottom of each of your 3 feathers using the 2 middle strands. Repeat this process with the other 2 feathers. Cut each feather to shape. Using a comb is not necessary, but I find it helps to alternate between cutting and brushing so that I do not miss cutting any strands. The final size of my feathers are roughly 4 inches wide, so 2 inches of rope on each side, and 10 inches long for the left and right feathers, 11 inches long for the center feather. Repeat the same process with the other 2 feathers. I did not add felt to the back or adhesive spray as I found these feathers are small enough that they are able to hold their shape on their own. To hang this wall hanging, I added a piece of rope to the top and tied it on both sides with a constrictor knot. Please see the description for a link to a tutorial on how to tie this knot. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.